Hello and welcome to today's lesson. My name's Alozie from Superclicks College. Now in today's lesson we'll be looking at working with date values, and we'll be creating or adding dates to our spreadsheet in different forms. Now you may want to have a fill of dates, you may want to copy down dates, you may want to start or have a date in the form of week commencing, that is Mondays only or Tuesdays only. You may want to have weekdays alone, you may want to have a date showing in the form of months only and years only. That is all we'll be doing in this lesson video. Without wasting much time, let's begin. Now, to insert the current date of today, you do that by pressing the Control key and the semicolon key. When you're done, you press the Enter key. Now, to have a fill of this date is simply to have a concurrent of the dates showing. So what you simply do is you move to this point, ensuring that the mouse pointer changes from a white cross to a black cross here, and when you're done you click and you drag down, covering the range of cells you want the dates to appear. So in doing that, we have a fill of dates from 15, 16, 17 in that manner. The next thing we'll do is to copy date. So we simply insert the current date by pressing the Control key and the semicolon key, and you press the Enter key when you're done. Now, to have a copy of date, or to just copy these dates downwards, covering the range of cell we want, you simply ensure that the mouse pointer changes from this white cross, and when you come here, it changes into a black cross. You hold your Control key down first, and you click, and then you drag, covering the range of cells that you want. And you see, it basically copies this date downwards. So that is how we do that. Now, we want our dates to be in the form of week commencing, meaning that we want Mondays alone or Tuesdays alone. So we simply type in the date. So I'll quickly check that. So the Mondays here is 18 and the second Monday is 25th. So type in 1804, and then the next Monday is 25th 04. Now, I'll simply highlight the two dates imputed. Now, what this basically tells Excel is that this is the thing I want you to repeat for me. These are the dates I want you to repeat for me. I just need only Mondays alone. So when you do that, you simply get to this point and ensure that the mouse pointer changes into it and drag downwards. You click and you drag downwards, covering the range of cells that you want it to cover. So what this basically does is that it now begins to give you the date in the form of Mondays only. Mondays only. So that is how we do that. Now we want to have weekdays in this cell. How do you add weekdays to your Excel spreadsheet? So we insert today's date by pressing the Control key and the semicolon key. Press the Enter key when you're done, and we'll simply drag, just click and drag, covering the range of cells. Now take note of this autofill option that is on the bottom right. When you click on it, you see an option for fill weekdays. So you simply click on fill weekdays, and it gives you the dates in the form of weekdays alone, excluding weekends. So when we come to months, put in today's date, you simply click and drag downwards, covering the range of cells you want. Using the autofill option, you click on it, and you see the option for fill months. So we simply click on it and have the dates in the form of months only. So this is April, this is May, this is June, this is July, August, and in that manner. So for years, we'll impute today's date, and then we'll just click and drag down, covering the range of cells we want. And then using the autofill option, we click on fill years. And so this is how we create or insert dates in our Excel spreadsheet using different forms and using the autofill option. Now the next thing I want to show you, months and days of the week in the long forms and in the short forms. I'll quickly show you that. So I'll have January here. Now I have January here, and I want a repetition of the months, the concurrent months that are coming after January. So that will be February, March, April, May, and all of that. So I want to do that as quick as possible. What you just have to do is ensure that the mouse pointer changes from this white cross to a black cross. When you come to this point, you click and drag downwards till you get to December, and here we are. Now I want to have a short form of this, so I'll just click in January. The short form of January is just the first 3 letters of the month. So when you're done with that, you click and drag when you come to this point, and it simply gives you the short form of each month. You see that the month shows in their short form. And you can also do this for the days of the week as well. So I have Monday. So what I'll just do is come here. When you get to this point of, please ensure that the mouse pointer changes into a black cross, and you click and drag downwards till it takes you to Sunday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We can also get a short form of this as well. So the short form is actually the first 3 letters of the day. So that will be MON, and you can click and drag downwards, and you can see you get the short form. This is quite easy and all of that. Now if you need a list of this, say we want to get a list of these numbers, we want to number them in ones, you come here and click and you type in 1, pressing the enter key. You want to know how many weeks they are, how many days they are in a week. You come here and ensure that the mouse pointer changes into a black cross. So you simply hold down your control key, click on it, and then you press the right click and drag downwards, and here you are. There are 7 days in a week. Now you can also count these in the form of tens. Say I want to have these numbers in the form of tens, so I have 10. We know that the next number in the next 10 is 20, so I have 20. And then what I do is I highlight the 2, and then I come here and I simply click and drag downwards. It simply means that you've told Excel that you want these numbers repeated in the form of tens. This is how we enter dates in Excel spreadsheet. If you have any answer, do not hesitate to ask me. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll be looking at cell references and how to create basic formula. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye for now.